Yo guys, what is up? This is Rai and welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you the items that I got from Manila Sneaker Expo 14. So yesterday, Sunday, I went to the Manila Sneaker Expo 14 to support, of course, our friends Ronnie, Aram, and the whole MSE team. Of course, I also represent Unbox in behalf of Sir Carlo Ople. And yun, may mga friends tayo nakita ron, may mga creator tayo nakita ron, may mga brands tayo na for long time friends na brands na nakakwentuhan. And meron tayong, like I said, meron tayong mga items that we went home with. So, isang mabilis na video lang to, pakita ko lang sa inyo yung mga items. Unang-una, eto guys, Riff Manila lang yung ginamit nila na paper bag, pero this is actually from Secret Fresh. So shoutout kay DJ Big Boy Cheng. Ito yung, actually this one is a little parang kumbaga relic na to of the past from the pandemic era. So this one is a cap from Secret Fresh. Before pa sila mag-rebrand, of course yung bagong manufacturer nila. This is the Make Philippines Great Again. So if you know na lang yung inspiration and design niyan. Hindi ko na i-elaborate. Pero yan, Make Philippines Great Again. Actually, hindi pala pandemic era. Before pandemic pa ata itong design na to. Tapos parang during the pandemic years, the first year of COVID, I was able to get a hoodie na red din. Ito rin yung design. So yun, shoutout Secret Fresh. And then we have here some goodies from our friends from Crep Protect Philippines. So salamat Sir Bill. Ito is actually according dun sa pagkakakwento sa akin, this is an all new product na dun lang nila nilaunch sa Manila Sneaker Expo 14. So this is the Ultimate Starter Pack. Ayan siya. So Crep Protect Starter or the Ultimate Starter Pack. So, ang laman niya, meron siya bag na kasama. So, this is a take anywhere bag na, paano buksan to? Ayan, so, ayan yung packaging niya, guys. Tapos, ayan yung bag. Yung bag niya may zipper na nakaseal pa. Ayun, nakaseal pa nga. So, we just have to cut this open. Right? So, with the magic of editing, naputol ko na siya ng hindi pinapakita sa inyo yung gunting. Ayan siya. So ayan, meron pala siyang design sa zipper. Ayan, Crep Protect Starter Pack. Then ang laman niya, okay, so ito yung pinaka gamit na gamit ko. So meron siyang 6 na wipes. The Crep wipes, Crep Protect wipes. Ayan siya. Then we have here, ang cute oh, isang maliit na version nung Crep Protect, the Ultimate Rain and Stain Resistant Barrier. So ito yung kumbaga OG na product nila. Kaya Crep Protect kasi this protects your shoes. Ano to, parang water and dirt repellent. Ayan siya. So maliit na packaging. And then we have here, okay. So ito yung okay, so parang ito yung Cure, Crep Protect Cure, pero, tama, ang branding niya is foam. So this is yung foam cleaner. So sabi ni Sir Bill, yun, so aerosol spray din siya. So spray mo lang yung foam na ganyan, para siyang shaving cream. Tapos, meron siyang kasamang brush. So, pag spray mo, yan, balik mo lang yung takip, yan, tapos ilabas mo lang yung brush. Ito na yung pang-brush mo. Galing! Very portable talaga. So kaya carry anywhere talaga siya. Tapos ito lang yung packaging niya, guys. Yan. So kasya yan, tatlo na yan sa bag na to. Yan. Yun. So salamat Sir Bill, Crep Protect fam. Thank you. And then lastly, tama ba last na to? Tama, last na to. Kasi yung iba galing sa Makina Motor Show eh. I have here a couple of shirts from Sneakerheads. First of all, bago natin buksan to, gusto ko lang mag-congratulate kay Chris, kay Sneakerheads. Kasi yung artwork niya yung ginamit ng Manila Sneaker Expo for the poster, for the branding, for the promo materials. Congratulations sa iyo bro and more to come. So, binigyan niya ako ng dalawang shirt. Ito yung mga bagong release niya for MSE 14. So, I have here a Jordan shirt, tsaka a Kobe shirt. Unahin natin yung Kobe. Nung inabot niya sa akin to, sabi niya, sir, kaya nag-Reebok eh, no? Eh, syempre, si Jordan and Kobe, alam niya na, si Jordan may sariling shoe brand, Jordan brand, tapos si Kobe, naka-Nike. Pero, syempre, support tayo. Ito nga, suot ko nga ngayon. It's all good. By the way, shout out kay Lawrence. Ito, yung V2 nung shirt niya na to, na Jordan 1 bread inspired. Alright, so ito yung Kobe. Yun. Ito ba? Yan. Yan yung harapan. Tapos, ito yung back design niya. Ang ganda, oh. So, sa harapan, nakikita niyo naman yung branding ni Sneakerheads mismo. Tapos, merong Kobe, Sneakerheads, tapos may Black Mamba. Ayan. Tapos sa likod, si Kobe. Ayan. Naka varsity jacket with number 8, tapos jersey 24. And then may mga dragon sa likod niya. Ayan. Ito yung Kobe, tapos yung Jordan. Oh, yung Jordan sa harap naman yung design niya. Ayan. So, that's Michael Jordan with the big bull at the back. Ganda. Nice. Alright, so yung mga page nila, guys, si Sneakerheads, of course, Secret Fresh and Crep, nandiyan sa description box. Message them, especially si Sneakerheads, kung gusto nyo ng mga shirts na to, message them, and yun lang. Salamat, Manila Sneaker Expo. Congratulations, Ronnie, Aram, sa lahat ng bubuo ng MSE 14, and see you on the next video.